I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you play me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you. I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I saw that like you, that bitch like you. Oh, I won't cry with you. I'm not long if you joking now here for me.
Hello, buzz, it's me, the Natural Love, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I'm bringing you guys along today on a mini vlog. Yeah, it's kind of like a mini vlog because I've got things to do today. Yep. So I'm gonna have a to-do list. Firstly, I need to wake up and bath, which I already did. So that's checklist number 1 done. Then we need to do my face, like face care and whatever. Then we need to do my makeup, we need to get dressed, we need to do my hair. We need to tidy up and stuff and make sure everything is okay. And then we're gonna hit the road. You guys will see what I'm doing today. I'm going for a modeling photo shoot, so I just decided to bring you guys along. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. And as I said, I just finished bathing now, so all that's left is for me to do the stuff that I told you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. And if you guys are as excited like me for this video, make sure you like and push that subscribe button, because why haven't you subscribed? I thought we're besties, like come on. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so now I am about to go and do my hair. This is how it's looking right now. So I need to dry it because I already stretched it yesterday. I had washed it and stuff. So now I'm just left to stretch it. Anyways, don't mind my hair. So before, I want to put on my mask, my face mask. It's not that much, it's just a little.
I've been skinning through it. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you.
So while this is drying up, I'm gonna be drying my hair. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film that, but I'm gonna try. We're gonna see.
Like you do, I can't lose. When I'm with you, I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important, nobody.
Just completed my hair. Hope you guys can see it's puffed up now, ready to go. So, for the photo shoot, they said they want 2 outfits. Therefore, I'm gonna have 2 looks. So my first look is my wig, which I'm gonna go wearing right now. It's my glueless wig. So for that, I need to plait my hair down. I think I'm just gonna do a normal hair plait. Hope you guys get what I'm saying. I'm so sorry. I'm rushing, literally rushing, because I'm late. Like, when I tell you I am supposed to be already leaving, I'm supposed to be already leaving, and I haven't even done my makeup yet. That's how crazy it is. At least I've bathed. So, yeah. When I'm done with this, I think I need to do my makeup. I have to start with my makeup. So, yeah. I'm really scared for today because photo shoots are very scary, because sometimes you just freeze in front of the camera not knowing what pose to do. But hopefully my photogenic side comes out. You guys know I'm very photogenic. I really am. So hopefully this goes to my advantage. I pray. Literally pray. But yeah, I'm done with my plating for the wig now, and let me wash my face and I'll get back to you guys. Before I do my makeup, I find it very compulsory to put ice on my face after every other morning. So maybe like 4 times a week or some. When I don't forget, I do this. It opens up your pores and like lets the blood flow nicely, therefore making your base smooth. Especially when you're putting your makeup, it is important to have a smooth base because you don't want your makeup to look all crunchy and your face to look all, yeah. Especially if you're like me and you're about to be in front of the camera, it's very important for your makeup to look seamless. So I do this and then I'm gonna let it air dry, and yeah, I think I'm done for now. My face is so cool. I'm going to do my makeup. For my face, as I said when I was icing my face, I told you guys that I love the seamless base. So if you guys didn't know, I've got dry skin, so it's very compulsory that I put Vaseline. Don't like it, I love it, I really do, and it helps me have a very nice base. They say if your face doesn't look almost wet, then you didn't do your base right, meaning your face after your makeup will be very dry and cakey and stuff. So this is how I have to make sure my face looks. And yeah, I told you guys I've got bushy eyebrows, and just gonna make it, just do soap brows. This is what I use. So next I go on with my concealer. Ooh. To make sure it's leveled and very precise. Next I fill in my brows. I haven't yet mastered filling in my brows and stuff, but hopefully I get there. Next I just remove that concealer because we don't want it to really dry down. And you can put some of the concealer on your eyelids to act as a base in case you want to put eyeshadow and stuff. Especially if you're dark toned like me, it's important to put this because some eyeshadows are really made for people with very light skin. So because we have dark skin, the pigment is less on our skin. So if you put this, it actually helps brighten up your eyelids, making the application very smooth and seamless. But I just put it because as I'm blending down. So yeah. Hopefully I don't look crazy like that. I like to use my gel primer because as I said, we want the base to be very like gooey and watery and stuff. So I put this. I don't like putting foundation because I'm now becoming a concealer only girly, but there's nothing I can do right now because I'm gonna be in front of the camera and I don't want to look all, yeah. So I'm just gonna take a risk and just put the foundation on. I should remember to put it all the way down to my freaking neck because we don't want to be looking too face colored and stuff, looking like two freaking colors. So yeah, don't forget to pull it down to your neck. And yeah, I think that's the only thing I can tell you guys for now. just don't forget to not put it by your dick. Next, I'm gonna try and wet my beauty blender just a bit and just try and blend this. Done blending, I go on and put my, okay, I don't like putting my concealer first. I put on my blush, and I will tell you guys why right now as soon as I find my blush. So the reason why I put the blush on first, sometimes you might have like made a mistake and put like too much blush. The concealer will cover it up, and yeah. If you guys like make a mistake and put too much, don't worry. Just make sure you put your blush before you put your concealer. And I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we. So once I've done this, and then I'll look like Violet from Charlie of the Chocolate Factory, I can now put my concealer. And what I like to do with my concealer is to draw it upwards, as you guys can see here. Just make sure I draw it upwards whenever I apply it. And yeah, now I wait for just 2 seconds so it can dry down, and then I blend it out. So firstly, I first blend out with a brush. So when I'm done with my concealer, the next step I do is to put on my eyeliner. Most people struggle with getting a sharp wing, and I understand. Thing is, with me, I've done it for years and I've just mastered it, so that's why I can do it so seamlessly. Come to the almost hardest part, but then I'm starting to master how to put my lashes on, which is a good thing, because damn, putting lashes sometimes it's literally a pain. So, yeah. Firstly, I put it on my actual lashes. Then I put it on the glue, on the lash line. And wait for just 2 seconds, just for it to dry a bit, so that it's more tacky and sticky. Because if it's wet and you put it on, when it dries up, most probably it has slided off. So make sure when you put it on, it is a bit dry and, as I said, tacky. So first put it in the middle. And this is how you apply a lash. Next, I just end off with my setting spray. And this is the finished look. I'm gonna do my lips when I'm done with my hair. Okay, so now I'm about to do my hair. I'm gonna shoot my makeup. I'm loving it. It's okay. It's okay. Now, it's time for the hair.
And now, let's go edge out. Just so I spoke, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so, baby. I've been doing my end to my shit. I should've keep from losing the best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you baby, you don't care.
bit of edges and just a little touch up. And yeah, I think I'm now ready to go. Okay, so now I'm about to leave. I'm going to call my Uber, and the next time I'm going to pick up the camera is when I get to the place. So until then, bye.
I testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch. I do it all. I won't cry, I'm kidding. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me.
To the place, but then they have said that we are not allowed to record or bring our phones in. So I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna tell you guys how it was when I get home.
You, I get lost when I'm with you.
So I've just finished taking with this look and she loved it. Now it's time to change the next look, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. I don't think I showed you guys what I was wearing today. So I was wearing this cute corset and my pants and these things. So now I'm gonna change and I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. I just finished changing and now I'm just touching up. For the next look, I'm going to go for my afro. I removed the wig, which is okay. I'm going to show you guys the final outfit when I'm done doing my hair. I want to be in a hurry so that I don't waste her time. Even though she's a very nice lady, she is amazing. This is not sponsored, but guys, if you want to take your photos, birthday shoots, party, anything, just come to Max Studios. Just search it up online. It's just called Max Studios. Yeah, friend there. Yeah. His hair is so much. I wanna remove this one even though because it's really disturbing me. Now I don't know, should I leave it like this and just tie it a bit so that it goes back, or should I just do the style I had originally planned? I don't know guys, I don't know. Let me see though. Or let's just put this and see how it looks. I don't know, just decided to go for the look that I wanted to go for initially, and it looks good with the butterfly at the back. It looks good. I think I'm done now, so we can go and take the last set of photos. Let me just do a bit of edges here. And yeah, and I think I'm done. As I said, is it too far? I think my butterfly is too far. Let me put it closer. I'm doing the finishing touches like my blush and bit of blending. And so that, and bit of gloss. I think I'm done. What do you guys think? Yeah, think we can go. My shoes, I'm wearing my heels. I need to go, but this is the outfit I'm wearing. My crop shirt and my cargo pants and my heels. I'm sure you guys can't see me, but I've just finished with this outfit and now I'm about to head home. So guys, it's the next day and I realized I forgot to end the vlog. Forgot to end the video. No, not the vlog. So the photo shoot went well. It went very well and I'm gonna show you guys some of the pictures. Definitely I'm gonna show you guys some of the pictures at the end of what I'm about to say now. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys some pictures of just a snip. Just something small. Something very small. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, please. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and I'm going off on Pinterest sometimes. But yeah, follow your girl, cause why aren't you following me? But anyways, thank you guys for watching. My lips are so dry right now. Guys, I was swimming, that's why. And I haven't had time to put on some gloss. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Say bye. See you guys little thing. Bye guys.
I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you marry